DMs not working. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix DMs not working on your Instagram. So all what you want to do to fix any problem that you have with the DMs, it's very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it again. After that, you have to go back, click on the airplane mode, enable it, and then you have to wait 5 seconds exactly. So after that, you have to disable it again. Now, last thing you want to do is go to the apps manager, open the apps, and then go to the Instagram app right here. Now, all what you want to do on the app informations page is click on this force stop option, and then click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and last thing you want to do is restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.